welcome back. So we did start off with mostly cloudy skies, made our way through the day today, decreasing clouds. The clouds we had in the morning did keep temperatures down, so we didn't really hit our highs in the upper 80s until around 6 p.m., maybe around 7 p.m. Staying mainly dry until around right now. We're tracking two bands of thunderstorms that might affect our viewing areas, make our way into the evening. High temperatures today look like this at 87 at North Platte, but at 91 at Ogallala and Imperial. A little cooler, a little more humid out toward Broken Bow and Lexington. 84 in that area and 88 up toward Valentine. Here's a look at the current temperatures into the mid-70s at North Platte, Hyannis, Valentine, Broken Bow, and Lexington. Lower 70s at Thedford, 76 right now, your current temperature at Imperial. The winds have flipped around to an easterly direction. Wind speeds right now still light outside of the thunderstorms, around 5 to 15 miles per hour. And as for the moisture, we have increased the dew points in the last few hours into the oppressive range once again, as North Platte points out to the east into the lower 70s, upper 60s. So even our western counties are getting in on some of that humidity. So we are mainly dry across the viewing area as of right now. An increase in the clouds, still mainly clear off to the east of North Platte and most of the Sand Hills. We've got this band of thunderstorms now across portions of, say, northwestern Cherry County. That band is going to make its way off to the south, so watch out into the Sand Hills for that one. And we're tracking this band that is developing across portions of northeastern Colorado. These have been just sub-severe, but just recently, as you make your way from Yuma and points off to the east, including areas along the Nebraska border, they have just gone severe. So we will see what happens with these storms as they go through the Imperial area and just off to the south of I-80. We'll see if they can maintain their strength, but we think that is going to be the place that has the best chance of some damaging winds as we go through tonight. Low pressure is moving its way off to the east, high to our south, giving us that extreme heat. Now, this was the pattern as we went through last week. We were on the northern edge of a heat dome that did stretch off to the south, and that warm air and that jet stream went all the way up into Canada. And with that, the low pressure systems and the heavy rain went up there too. Now, the jet stream's crossing us. We're going to remain active with more chances for some showers and thunderstorms as we go through basically the entire week. As cooler air filters in, we'll have highs back into the 70s as we go through the weekend. So we'll watch that band of some showers and thunderstorms as it makes its way through, going into the late evening and early overnight. Heavy rain, lots of lightning, and even some gusty winds are possible, especially south of I-80. As we go through the day tomorrow, starting off with sunshine, highs getting into the upper 80s before just some more isolated storm chances, especially into our western counties. But the best chance of some showers and storms going through the rest of the week will be on Thursday. Highs will be into the mid-80s, and then there's another line of some storms that will make its way through for your Thursday evening. As for the rest of the week, that heat will move off to the south and off to the east. We're going to tap into some of this monsoon moisture from the Pacific, and that jet stream is crossing over us. So we're going to put rounds of thunderstorms almost every day, and it will be even cooler. Here's what it looks like on the wide maps. These lows are going to move off to the east. This one will actually track over us on Thursday. That'll be the best chance of some showers and thunderstorms. That cooler high will work its way in, and we've got more of a northerly wind. So over the weekend, there's your highs into the mid-70s, as we will keep almost a daily chance of some showers and thunderstorms. Warm the next couple of days, 87 your high. Wednesday we'll put a 30% up to 60% for Thursday, and 40% chances of storms Friday and Saturday with lower 80s, but only into the mid to upper 70s. 20 to 40% chances of storms Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday as we cool off, but stay on the active side. Kent?
Yeah, cooler, but still pretty comfortable as we hit the weekend and into next week.
Yeah, 80's not bad for this time of year. We'll see what the 70s feel like. All
right, thanks so much, Justin. A recent study finds that alcohol deaths are on the rise in women in the U.S. That's according to a report published in JAMA Network Open. Researchers examined more than 605,000 alcohol-related deaths from 1999 to 2020, which did not include deaths from injuries, homicides,